All right, guys. It's been at least a month since the last video. The main issues I've been having, I'm just wanting to post a quick update explaining the latency on posting and updates and stuff like that. But got to take a look at her. It pains me because we're this close to being able to fire up. The main issues we've been dealing with are the heads. They are finally assembled, but I've had issues with trying to find the correct spring discs for those massive, huge freaking springs I got from Crowder. We've been going back and forth. We've sent things back and forth probably 3 or 4 times. The last 3 weeks has been trying to find the correct OD, ID, thickness, and things of that nature for these heads. And finally got them figured out. Finally got the heads together. And just for reference, those are stock small block springs. These are not. They're massive. That's been a big part of the problem right down here, that spacer in the bottom, because these are about 340 pounds seat pressure and like 830 over the nose. So you got to have a hardened steel spacer in the bottom so it doesn't chew the aluminum heads up. But as you can see, we're checking piston to valve clearance and quench, which I've already checked quench, got a good idea. It should be right at 39 thousandths or so, which is perfect. Piston to valve, unfortunately, I don't have a setup handy to check that. I thought I could. I'm gonna have to get these shaft mounted. I'll have to take these apart, get them on the head, get all of these shims set up, and get that spacing right so that I can actually check the piston to valve. They're actually really nice from Speedway, cheaper side. We'll see how they last, but we've had a whole lot going on in here. Power strokes, small blocks, 4.6 Fords, all kinds of stuff, you name it. But just wanted to give a quick update. Timing sets here, that was another issue. Went back and forth on that. We're this close. Heads this week, hopefully, maybe even this weekend. I'll get the rockers mounted. And we'll check clearances, which I just bore scoped it, and it looks perfect in there. But once the heads are on, intake goes on, timing cover's no big deal, oil pan's no big deal. I think I'm gonna swap from this Sniper setup. I just don't wanna risk all the issues with tuning and if it's even capable, because we're probably gonna be pushing around 600 horse, which is damn near the maximum for this thing. So probably gonna sell this and pick up an 850 CFM carb of some kind and not even mess with the tuning, because when we go to the dyno, I do not want to blow a shitload of money on runs for this thing and just screw with it on tuning. It's just a waste of money. So that's about it. It's almost done. Heads are going on. I'm hoping to have another video out with the heads on, intake on, all that stuff in the next week, and hopefully fire up will be in the next 2 weeks. We'll see, but appreciate it. Y'all please be patient. It's impossible for me to be patient because looking at that car every day is torture, but y'all stick around. I'll see you on the next one.